So here we have our KRF ThermaLink thermostat, and currently we have it paired to a APACA heat pump. So I'm going to demonstrate how it functions with the APACA heat pump and the line voltage relay for electric heat. So first we're going to go through and set it to auto. This will allow the heat pump to switch between heating and cooling. And then we want to set the temperature to activate the heating. Currently it is in a scheduled mode, but we will override that to set it to a heating mode. In this heating mode, it will activate the heat pump and call for heat. So now we will set it back into the deadband of the thermostat so that the APACA heat pump will turn off. Currently we're within the 5-degree deadband, so the thermostat is no longer calling for heat and the heat pump has turned off. Now we will set the temperature down 4 degrees below, and that will activate the cooling. The APACA heat pump is now calling for cool air and is air conditioning the room. We will set it back so that the heat pump turns off and it is no longer active as it is at room temperature. The additional function is that the fan speed can be switched off of auto onto first stage fan speed, second stage fan speed, or third stage fan speed. In auto mode, it will select the medium fan speed for normal operation. The additional function of the thermostat is that it will call for electric heat when the room temperature has stayed below the second stage for 5 to 30 minutes, depending on what you have chosen in the settings. So we're going to set the temperature to this stage 2, and we will wait 15 minutes until the KRF relay turns on. Now our electric resistance heat is turned on, as it has been in the stage 2 for over 15 minutes, and we are getting our electric resistance heat in the room to back up the heat pump.